with insane news coming up this week. CPI, core CPI, PPI, core PPI, Federal Reserve rates, interest decision rates on Wednesday, plus Fed Chair Powell speaking, plus US retail sales on Thursday. What do you guys think is going to happen to the market? I'm not sure just yet, but if the Fed decides to raise rates, the market is going to continue to see blood in this market, and Bitcoin's dominance will probably increase, go to where we want it to go, and there will be a discorrelation of multiple assets right now in the crypto space, which would be absolutely awesome, and what an opportunity to make really incredible gains. Now with AVAX, this beautiful sleeping giant, this coin will give you insane 146 potential X gains. Let's go and find out in this video exactly what AVAX can do. Make sure to stay right to the end and watch the video, and we'll see you inside. How's it going? What's up? What's happening there, you blessed beautiful souls? Welcome to the Crypto Bliss Show. I'm Kiara Kes, and today I'm going to be speaking about an incredible, absolutely awesome altcoin that is a sleeping giant. And considering what happened yesterday and today's continuation of bloodbath, today is Sunday at the time of recording. This is 10:40 a.m. GMT, and this is the 11th of June. So guys, wait to watch right till the very end in this video so that you can see what the potential of this coin is right now. And let us not waste any more time. Let us jump straight into it. Today, I have a very cool video being released for you shortly, so hopefully you've watched that and you'll click that up there if you didn't watch that. But right now, here is Avalanche. Avalanche is ranked 18th. That's its logo, its name, its ticker. It's now $11.64, guys. It's up 1.5% today. It's up 2.9% against Bitcoin today. It's on 320,000 people's watch list. Currently got a market cap of about $4 billion. Trading volume is about 242 million. The fully diluted valuation is about 8.4 billion, and the maximum supply is 720 million. Total supply is 431.6 million, and then your circulating supply is about 345 million, guys. So that's pretty cool. I love those numbers there. I think that's absolutely amazing. The previous all-time high for this coin was $144.96. We are literally down 92% from that all-time high, guys. Why would you not buy AVAX at this price? If you just bought one AVAX, you would invest $11.46 today, and when it hits the all-time high, you've now made $146. So you've 10 extra money, guys. Well, even more, you buy 12 extra money. So no financial advice, but I mean, where else are you going to 12 extra money like that without actually, taking that much risk? And guys, there isn't much more space for this to go down. Yes, it can go all the way down to $2.80 again, but I doubt it's going to go that low. Honestly, guys, we're up 316% from that level. So it's quite a way down still. I still think that maybe altcoins can go down another 10 to 15% at the max, but I don't think much further. Now, if you're going to have a look, we're kind of around January lows, January of this year, 2023 lows. That's where we're kind of around in the altcoins at the moment. So that is very interesting, and that is applied across all of the altcoins. So in today's video, I just wanted to share that with you. If you guys are enjoying this, please remember to like, subscribe, and share my content on the channel. I want to get this channel up to 700 subscribers by the end of Sunday. If you guys are not subscribing, watching this, please smash the subscription bell, because I'm going to do awesome videos just like this for you guys. So let us go and quickly see what AVAX is. AVAX is creating without limits. Build anything you want, any way you want on the lightning fast, scalable blockchain that won't let you down. Choosing the wrong blockchain can kill your DApp before it's ever had a chance to succeed. But it doesn't have to be this way. Launch with confidence on Avalanche. The average transaction finality time is less than a second at 0.79 of a second. Active validators 1375. Active addresses more than 8 million. I'm one of them. Thank you for being there. Total value locked 1.75 billion. Annual energy consumption 46 US households. Not bad, eh? Build it your way. Avalanche, it has the advanced tooling you need to accelerate from idea to launch. Now, these are the guys. So Sergey Nazarov from Chainlinks and Stani Kulachov from Aave. Absolutely recommend Avalanche any day. The blockchain to built to scale. So has a massive, massive scalability. Join Web3's most vibrant community. Sometimes red is also green, and they're talking about their own beautiful project. You can come over here and see what they're all about. You can go over to see C-Chain, which is essentially Avalanche C-Chain, which is what they use to run the ecosystem, and they use as an exchange, just like BNB uses the Binance Smart Chain, the BSC chain. So very similar. Now, guys, just before I go ahead, I want to just say to you, I have in my video down below, if you want to trade AVAX with me, before I show you the two charts that I'm going to show you, make sure to smash up the like button, firstly, and hit that description below where you can get yourself a $30,000 deposit Bybit link right there down below, and let's trade AVAX together. Now, I'm going to tell you guys there's two ways to trade AVAX right now, and I'm only going to show you these two ways. There's multiple ways to trade it, but I'm only going to show you these two ways. So for now, the one way has multiple ways of trading it, but we'll talk about that when I show you the chart. But essentially, please be cognizant, because we do have this week coming up, we do have the federal budget report that is coming out tomorrow. We have core CPI and CPI year on year and core CPI year on year on Tuesday. Then on Wednesday, we have PPI, core PPI and PPI year on year. Plus, we also have the federal interest rate decision policy, which is going to, a lot of people are thinking that it's going to be 0, but I would still consider it to be 0.25%. And honestly, we're probably going to see the market collapse even more, the crypto space. So I would just be patient, dollar cost average while these coins are this low and the money is bleeding out at the moment. And then, of course, federal chair will be speaking in the later on in the day. And then on Thursday, we have jobless claims, retail. So there's a shit ton of news for you guys this week, for all of us. So make sure to be cognizant in the trading for the week ahead. And let's hope that it absolutely obliterates the dollar and helps all of our altcoins and Bitcoin get back up to where they actually deserve to be and where they deserve to be. Okay, so first chart, AVAX USDT. Now, guys, I drew the Fibonacci for you, and basically you can see here from the top to the bottom where we've now officially hit the January low. So you can see there, so that's a January, end of December, January low. So we actually came back down to those levels. So we've erased this entire year's gains. Okay, but this is a sleeping giant, guys. I'm just giving you a heads up. Look where we are right now. We didn't get below this point here. I doubt we're going to get below this point here, even with all the crappy FUD. Okay, so I think we could sit here now for a little while before we actually make a push up. And for me, this is a fantastic dollar costing opportunity right now. Now, just to get from down here, okay, where we are, just back up to the top of where we were in August last year, it's 137%. To get back up to the 63 level, dollars, 403%. Now, make this very aware. Look at where the 618 is. Look at all that resistance there. So for me, this is coming up here. That's a 640% gain against USDT, bringing us up to about a $94, $95 price back on AVAX, and that won't even get us to the all-time high up there. Now, for me, guys, I've said to you guys, I believe AVAX can smash this price here, and I believe we could see AVAX at beyond $1,000, but that would mean Ethereum should be at least beyond $10,000 at that point. So let's go. So you can trade this on spot and make 600% and wait to make 600%, okay, which is phenomenal. You can also 3x on spot using my links down below. You can get 3x leverage using my links down below on spot, and you can trade that with leverage too, which will give you that additional powerful trade. So guys, for me, I'm saying to you now that this is one of the most beautiful and benevolent times we could possibly imagine to make massive gains. Okay, I think you can go beyond this, but there would be a massive sell-off at this level. At that point, I would sell my AVAX and buy back into USDT on spot. Okay, it's as simple as that. But now, do I believe it's going to go even higher than this? I do believe it's going to go higher than this. So I would only sell a portion of my bag up at this level and then wait for the rest of the ride to take some more profits. Now, I've previously said to you guys, you can do this on spot. You can trade this on derivatives. If you did 10x from this level and hold it all the way up to here, 10x will give you a 6,000% gain on this coin. That's mad. You can also then trade this pair against Bitcoin. And as you can see against Bitcoin, we are also very oversold on the RSI. So you need to buy AVAX and sell your Bitcoin, essentially. Even though Bitcoin dominance is going up right now, you can see the altcoins have been bleeding into Bitcoin. That's what's been happening. I have showed you that on my previous video, so make sure to go and watch that right there right now. But for now, this pair, if you buy AVAX down there, okay, it's not going to go any lower than that. For me to get back up to the top of the Gaussian channel plus the top of that highly resistance zone up here will give us about 200% gain against Bitcoin. So if you had 1 Bitcoin to start and you bought that AVAX with 1 Bitcoin, you would then have 2 Bitcoin by the time it got back up to this kind of high here. Up here, you would have 500% more Bitcoin. That means you would have 2.5. You would have 2.5 Bitcoin. So in total, you would have 3.5 Bitcoin because you start off with 1, right? Now, guys, I think it's going to do a lot better than this. I think we're going to see massive pumps in the near future with Bitcoin and altcoins against the Bitcoin pairing. So make sure to hit the subscription bell. Let's go and quickly have a look at what we think the market cap could hit here. Now, for me, guys, I think 10x will take us up to the $120 mark. I already said that that's probably where it would go immediately before some sort of strong pullback. I said the 94 level, but could we hit a $400 billion market cap at some point in the future? Yes, we could. Now, this has 0.036% of the total market cap. I've previously said to you guys $200 trillion market cap times 0.367% will give us a $734 billion market cap. Okay, divided by 431,614,417 will give us a $1,700 AVAX, guys. Divided by today's price, 11.59. Okay, that'll give you 146x on your coin. Now, would you take 146x? You're literally turning $1,000 into $14,100. Mad. If you had $10,000, you would convert your $10,000 into 140K. If you had $100,000, you turn it into 1.4 million. Guys, I hope you guys are investing in this. No financial advice. If you enjoyed the video, please remember to smash the video, thumbs up. I would love to see that. Boom. Have a wonderful day ahead. Love you all.